The film is a psychological drama based on a difficult pathological relationship, Oedipus complex if you want, between a mother and son.
Ție ți se pare normal să n-am acces în casa copilului meu?
Eu când ți-am zis să faci doi că unul n-ajunge. Acum aveai și tu de unde alege.
Cheile de la casa mea.
De 3 ani de când e cu individa asta. Îl dirigează și îl conduce cum vrea ea.
It's also about our days Romania, the society, about corruption.
Vreau să stai liniștită și nu te panichezi. A făcut un accident.
It was quite difficult to work with Luminița Gheorghiu on this role because she's a very famous actress in Romania, but she never played the high society part. There were times when she got a little bit scared of that role because it was difficult for her.
Cine a fost de vină?
Acesta sunt eu, acesta el. Și aici s-a produs impactul.
The main goal and the main story I wanted to tell is this dysfunctional relationship between mother and son. This is the main thing and on the first plan. The social part of Romania and the corruption is included for the dramatic way of the script.
Mă gândeam că poate împreună găsim o formulă.
Dacă vă ocupați-vă voi până la capăt, nu mă luați cu mână ce-mi dați cu cealaltă. Faceți voi!
I don't think it's a character you like from the beginning or you like at all. The goal of the film was to empathize with her at the end. We had only 30 days to shoot. We have a small budget and we had 2 digital cameras, and we decided to shoot like the DP and the other cameraman felt on the moment and what was interesting for them, like a quasi-documentary style. Normally I'm a control freak, I'm planning everything before. And this time, because the story was very close and personal to me, I wanted to lose control with this kind of shooting, and I wanted that the camera and the cameraman are involved in the action of the film. It's a personal story because it's very much about the relationship with my mother. I think she told me people will understand me or something. She's taking it as a, how do you say, as a homage, if you want, to her, yeah.